Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. This is the actual Porsche 991 Mark II we're talking about last few days. I've done a video this morning about the actual how much the guy charged for the one bolt for the thread repair. So yes, we're here now. So pretty much I've got to find the torque figures for these few bolts here, but the full assembly underneath. So you can see pipes all done here, everything's there. It's done. Full assemble at the front. New valves here as well. New piping, new gaskets, pretty much it. And the new exhausts are here. So tomorrow we're gonna start fitting the exhaust. Tomorrow, new bracket. That bracket's gonna go back on. This one's gonna go back on tomorrow. New exhaust gonna go back on as well. And the actual air filter last. That will go on the actual air filter housing. And the actual belt will go on as well. Once we finish the exhaust, put everything back on together here as well, and pretty much assemble everything back together. There's your new pump down here, auxiliary exhaust pump. That one there's all done. That was a painful one as well, because you can't really get to the back hose, but took a long time to do. And the actual cutting of the exhaust as well was very hard to do as well. But we're here now. Really good quality. I've got to take the plugs off here and put the new sensors in there, and then pretty much go from there tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.